Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make moyashi to chikuwa no salad. It's very simple, easy salad with bean sprout and chikuwa fish cake. It's really easy, so you can whip it up in 10 minutes. At the end of the video, I will show you how I build a menu with this salad. So stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 400 grams of bean sprout, 8 chikuwa fish cakes, little over 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, and shichimi Japanese chili mix. When I use bean sprout for salad, I normally rinse and cook it in this bag. Let me show you how. Open the bag. And put some water straight into the bag. Take it and drain. And just repeat this 2 or 3 times. Okay, let's microwave this. I did it for 4 minutes at 800 watts. Let's take it out in the strainer. Spread it out. To drain and cool down. In the meantime, let's cut chikuwa fish cake. Let's cut it into half long way. Then thin diagonal slices. All in a large bowl. By now, bean sprout should be lukewarm and touchable. So let's squeeze it and add to the bowl. Take some and squeeze it really well. Then into the bowl. Sesame oil, salt, garlic paste, and shichimi chili mix. You can put as much as you like, but start with little amount. You can always add, but you cannot take it back. Give it a mix. Take some. I want to make it a little spicier. Let's see. Mmm. Serve in the bowl. And もやしとちくわのサラダ is ready to go. Super easy, isn't it? This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. もやしとちくわのサラダ is a side, so it goes here, and some sort of pickles to refresh your palate for the other one. The side dishes are light, and I think it's okay to have some deep fried food for the main. So how about 卵とポテトのコロッケ? Plain rice here and mushroom miso soup or any soup you like here. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!